So, bras, brasiers, support important parts of a woman's body, and they help to make us feel and to look great in our outfits as well. What is so funny?
I can't. These men. It's like being back in high
Are you
school.
kids?
We said bras, and all the cameramen just. Oh my gosh, they you know this like embarrassed
What's
laugh.
happening?
I can't believe they're still shy about. Anyway,
Anyway, here with 5 recommended must-have bras.
every time someone says bras, they crack up. It's crazy.
Is bra expert. Oh no, it's really bad. Sophia Daly, owner of Golden Closet. Hello, Sophia. Morning.
Hey, so
Hi, Simone and Delia. How are you guys?
We are
we're
just trying
good.
to understand why these men in here are laughing every time we say the word bra.
Bras.
They get the vision in their head.
But
Yeah.
it's not a funny vision, is it?
No,
Supposed
what
to be-
makes it funny is blushing. They're laughing because they're blushing.
All
I
right.
think so.
We're gonna work
I
with that.
think so. Well, let me tell you, if we may think that for the men it's foreign, but for women too, what you're going to be talking about is going to be news to many people
Yes.
because they just know a bra is a bra, is a bra, is a bra.
Right?
But you're saying that there are 5 types of bras that every woman should have. All right.
Yes, the
So
5
let's start with the
types.
basic T-shirt bra.
All right. So a t-shirt bra is one that you would wear under the t-shirt. So I'm going to show you. And what is important about a t-shirt bra is that it is seamless. So there's no stitching at all in the cups. The bra is just nice and flat so that when you put it on under your t-shirt, you're not seeing any lines or anything like that. So sometimes it comes in a molded form and sometimes it doesn't have any padding at all. It's just nice and smooth and give you that nice smooth appearance under the t-shirt. So that's
no-
what's important about the t-shirt bra.
Yeah, no
stitching or
lace,
seam
no
in the cup.
nothing to be showing up the texture under the t-shirt is what we're aiming for,
That's
right?
correct.
You
Okay.
also say
Right.
usually this means selecting a color also that matches your skin tone. Because sometimes
Well-
I want the t-shirt and the t-shirt not so thick, you know.
Well, skin tone is kind of here or there because believe it or not, red doesn't show on the white as long as you find the right red to match your skin tone. So it's not so much having to be a skin tone color, but
Okay.
it's the shade of the color in your skin tone. So surprisingly, red, once it matches your skin tone, doesn't show on the white.
Okay. I feel like we're
Yeah.
talking about a car, but a strapless or convertible bra?
Strapless or convertible bra.
Just take
So
down the top.
that's the bra that we want, especially for our summer outfits where we're wearing those off the shoulders and stuff like that. So a strapless bra, it still comes with the straps and you can wear that as a one shoulder. You can wear it as an alternate. So that's why you get the comparison between a strapless and a convertible. Note, however, that a strapless is a convertible bra, but not all convertible bras are strapless bras because you have some that you can just turn into a racer back, and that is just wearing something with
With an
a
X.
smiley on the back.
Sophia, talk to me
Right.
about these. These are usually the most difficult ones for support. Am I right? When you have to wear
They
them
are,
strapless.
but what is important is getting your right fit. So we have strapless bras that goes up to a J cup. But again, it's just about the fit and buying one of good quality.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because
You're right. Because some people buy the strapless and the cup doesn't cover
Right.
the breast. So
It's spilling
by the
out.
time they get to where they're going, the bra is a belt.
Right, and the other issue is that they normally buy it with a bigger band size to try and get the cup to fit, but then you spend half the time trying to adjust it because it's sliding down.
Correct.
Actually, when you're buying a strapless, we always advise that you go a band size down so that it's snug and stays in place for the full day wear.
Simona laugh and she knows that you me talking.
I've never seen a bra become
Bra
a
become a
belt.
belt? Yes, girl. All right. So there's the sexy bra. Ooh, talk to me about the sexy bra.
All right. So your sexy bra now is anything with
Ew,
Wait,
look at you, Sophia.
So this particular one is lace, and it's also a demi-cup bra or a half-cup bra. So you'll have a lot of cleavage showing. So it just gives you that nice, sexy feeling. The lace itself is also good. And then, as I said, it's just any lace bra. So for this one, this is like a midi long line bra, but you see that nice lace texture, and it just gives you that nice, sexy feel. Imagine this with a lace underwear on.
Okay,
And
it's
we
not
know
that
that
kind
we,
of show. Look here, lady. Let me tell you something. I wonder if you realize it's 10 o'clock in my
Moving on to the plunge bra. Because we just lost our cameraman a while ago. The
I'm going to
plunge
go
bra.
back over here to my strapless, because this strapless is double play. So what's important for the plunge is that it's a lower gore, and that's what you call the center of the bra. So it has a lower gore. So you can wear something with a deep V cut,
Right.
and you will not reveal any bra. So that is what you want to look for. Something with a lower gore. Normally in the middle of the bra is sometimes higher up depending on the style, but the plunge is one with a lower gore. So it allows you to wear those peekaboo V-neck tops
Peekaboo.
without revealing your bras.
Okay.
And then finally, the sports bra.
All right, so it's not finally, but we'll talk about the sports bra, right? And women, so please get a proper sports bra for exercising. You don't want to exercise in your regular everyday bra. It doesn't give you the support that you need. And then you have sports bra depending on the level of sports that you do. So you have sports bra for high impact sports and low impact sports. So this one is one that gives you a full coverage. It's sturdy, and it can be used for medium or high impact, as well as we have sports bras with boning. And again, our sports bras go up to a J cup. So you can find something in your size to give you the support. And I said sports bra wasn't the last one because I just like to talk about your basic everyday bra and suggest that you have 2 to 3 of those bras in your top drawer as well. And your everyday basic bra is just the bra that you are comfortable in based on your lifestyle and based on the outfit that you're wearing on any given day. What's important for your basic everyday bra is comfort, and you need 2 to 3 because you're not to wear the same bra every day, but you want to give your bra a break in between wear so that it can serve you, and you just give it a break to recuperate. So you need 2 to 3 everyday bras. Again, what's important with that bra is comfort.
Well, those bras are an investment, but a good investment because a good brassiere can change your life, ladies. Trust me, when you go to Sophia and she fit you proper and you put her over there, you feel like, oh,
Yes.
what? Who knew?
Yes. And
Coming from my gold days.
and she'll tell you your correct bra size as well.
That's right.
Yeah.
So go on and check her
It's
out.
true, it's true.
Miss Golden
It's
Closet.
true, it's true.
Yeah, it's important. And ladies, nobody say, Lord, me in a COVID. No, get a good bra.
Yeah, slippers must only wear on your foot.
Right, can I tell them where to find me?
Please do, because Simone just rendered me speechless. So do.
So we're located at Shop 10B Village Plaza. You can follow us on Instagram at Golden Closet JA and on Facebook at Golden Closet. And our telephone number is 622-9585.
Thank you, my darling.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, very passionate about making sure women have it all together. That's Miss Sophia Daly there. So awesome speaking to you, my love. And hail up your cameraman for us.
Yes.
That's Sophia Daly from Golden Closet. After the break, our cameramen, they're going to get some water and get themselves together. And then we return Jamaican meanings for English words. So stick and stay for that, like slippers, for example, that Simone just used, is a, yeah.